before you click away, yes, this is a Firefly Funko Pop. And yes, I have the whole crew. And yes, this is a grown adult explaining content creation using tiny plastic space criminals. But here's the weird part. These little weirdos have taught me more about making YouTube videos than half the 10x views bro advice that's out there. You know, those channels that are just out there. In the next few minutes, I'm going to introduce you to my creative crew, and you're going to figure out which one is missing from your channel. Spoiler, if it's River, I'm a little worried about you. So, this is Malcolm. Malcolm Reynolds, captain, professional bad decision maker, spiritual leader of, well, we'll make it up as we go. And Mal does not always have a plan. Sometimes he barely has pants, but he always knows which way the ship is headed. And that's direction, because creators think they quit because the algorithm hates me. The algorithm hates me. It does. It hates me. No, it doesn't. They, uploading whatever, whenever, to whoever. You do not need a 27-page content strategy document written in Notion at 2 a.m. You just need to know, who am I helping and where's this channel trying to go? And if your channel feels like it's just firing videos into the void and hoping one hits, well, congratulations, you're flying without a mile. Now here's Kaylee. She is the sunshine mechanic, professional awe generator. The reason the ship still flies when it absolutely should not. Kaylee keeps everything running with duct tape and optimism and the emotional stability of a golden retriever. And crazy enough, she actually loves the work, not the applause, not the analytics, the work. Here's the secret creator horror story. Most channels don't die because of failure. They die because the creator quietly stops enjoying making videos and then takes a break, and then that break gets renewed for season 2, unlike Firefly. And if every part of content creation feels like homework, no post at 3:17 p.m. on Tuesday's hack is going to save you. If you've lost your Kaylee, your consistency is a light support, and you can be absolutely burned out with 300 subs. Ask me, I know. Now this is Wash. He's the pilot. He's the chaos gesture man who can say, "We're all going to die," and somehow make it sound like a fun field trip. Wash understands timing. He knows when to talk. He knows when to pause. He knows when to let the joke land instead of explaining to death like a YouTube tutorial from 2009. On YouTube, people don't just watch for information. If they did, every channel would just be a screen recording in some stupid PowerPoint. They watch for you. Wash is the part of you that sneaks into the videos when you're tired of pretending to be professional creator person number 47. He's the sarcastic comment, the raised eyebrows, did I just say that out loud? I meant that to only be in my head. If your videos are technically correct, without Wash, how can you do it, man? Really. And this is Zoe. Zoe is second in command. She is battle tested. She would probably say, I have a Notion board and it's color-coded energy. Zoe just shows up. There's no drama, no monologue, no sorry, I've been gone for a while. Here's a 9-minute apology video because I've been gone for a while. No, she is discipline. She's the schedule. She's the workflow. She's the, I don't feel like filming, but the future of me will be mad at me if I don't. She's that part of your brain that says, I gotta do this. I have to do this no matter what. And here's the uncomfortable bit. Your audience will forgive your bad jokes. They'll forgive an awkward cut. They'll even give you that one time you filmed in 480p by accident. They will not forgive you for disappearing every 3 weeks because your motivation went on vacation. Now, while my inner Zoe goes missing, my channel turns into an upload routine. And if your YouTube strategy right now is vibes and regret, You're missing Zoe. You really are. You're missing Zoe. And this is River. She's chaos. She's brilliance. She's a living embodiment of this seemed like a good idea at 2 a.m. River is that weird video idea you get in the shower that makes you think, wow, this is either genius or career ending. She's a new format you're scared to try. She is the vulnerable story you're afraid to tell. That niche pivot that might actually be who you are now. We change. Time changes. We become new people. Playing it safe feels smart, but it's forgettable. Nobody grows a channel by uploading the same beige video every time. River reminds me the most memorable stuff you make will feel a little dangerous. If everything on your channel feels fine, then River has left the chat. And honestly, that's when your creativity starts quietly suffocating in the corner. So who's missing? Here's what I noticed. When my content is off, it's usually because somebody's missing from the crew. Is it too much Zoe or not enough Kaylee? I'm consistent and miserable. Too much River. No Maul. Maybe wild ideas, zero direction, channel chaos, too much wash, no discipline, great vibes, no uploads. And YouTube does not pop up a notification that says, hey, your Zoe stat is critically low. Please refill with free boring tasks in a spreadsheet. You have to diagnose it yourself. So your turn. Oh, and you're saying, well, where's the rest? Well, you know, Mal, he's direction. And Kaylee, she's joined the process. And Wash, well, he's an actual personality on camera. Oh, and River, well, River, the creative risk you keep talking yourself out of. Drop it in the comments. Just the name. I'm missing Zoe, or I'm missing Malcolm, or River's chained in the cargo bay. And if you've got your own fandom that secretly explains your creative life, whether it be anime or Star Trek or K-dramas, I won't judge. And yes, of course, I have Nara. And yes, of course, I have Shepard. And sadly, Jane doesn't have one. Besides, Jane would just cause trouble anyway, and maybe we don't need a Jane in our mix. Tell me what your crew looks like, because apparently best content creation advice sometimes comes in very small plastic boxes and absolutely does not justify how much I spent on these. So now check on your crew. If you like this, hit the like button and stick around. YouTube's going to recommend another video for you to watch. Bye.